आपको क्लोज ले लो। हाँ ले ले So excited to see the episode.
Absolutely, been waiting for this one for a very long time. Um, it's a it's a really great feeling, a feeling of pride to watch a woman portray a character like this, and I think Nimrat has been the best choice for this. She's a stunning woman. She comes from a background where I think she understands the turmoil and the bravery and the strength that you really need to, I would say, pull up in life, in real, not just on reel, but in real, to pull off something like this and to serve the nation. And I think with a lot of excitement and a lot of pride, I'm here because I can't wait to watch this series.
So do you agree that Nimrat has created definitions of woman empowerment in the Bollywood, what she has worked or done before?
Before this?
Yeah, like woman empower.
See, today any woman who goes and stands up and does something independently, becomes independent, stands on her own feet. Women empowerment is not just a fancy word where we say जब आपने नारा लगा दिया तो women empowerment हो गई. For any woman to stand up on her own feet, to be independent, to stand up for her own choices, stand ground for her own opinions, have your own opinions and voice them out. I don't know Nimrat too personally. I don't know her personally, in fact. But of whatever I've heard from her in her interviews, or however she conducts herself, she comes across to be that woman. So women empowerment is really about standing your ground, standing as a woman, standing as an individual, and having your own and making your own individual choices. And I think that's what she is about. I could be wrong, but like I said, whatever I've understood of her, it also comes across in the kind of choices she makes in her work. You know, when I saw Lunchbox, I was floored by her performance. It takes a lot of courage for us women also to portray difficult, challenging, sometimes controversial parts on screen. That, I think, is women empowerment. It's not just a word to use where you say कि हमारी भी आवाज़ है तो आवाज़ दूसरों लोगों को सुनाने के लिए आपके पास बहुत ज़रिए और बहुत तरीके हैं. So for me, that's women empowerment, and every woman today who's doing what she wants to do in life is an empowered woman, and helps inspire all the others.
So did you see the most awaited movie of Bollywood, like Pathrauti?
I still haven't seen it. No, I'm sorry. I was out of the country, and then I was busy working because Haksay is coming out, and I'll see you all tomorrow again.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.